This is Bella. She's sleeping. I let her sleep. Oh. Boukje. Kom. Blomke. Goed zo. Yveske. This way, please.
Ik wil lauwe de bak in.
Ja. Boukje. Belle. En Gea. Woohoo!
Good morning! Rise and shine!
Yay!
It's a beautiful day! Whoa! Woohoo!
Blomke. Belle.
Hey, good morning, Yvonne.
Hey,
What are you doing?
Well, I'm searching for the moon.
There's the moon. It's a beautiful morning. She's looking for the stars and the moon in the evening, but we tried. Look, look, look. That was a nice bird. So we tried to see the moon. He is so beautiful.
You can see too.
We watch. We try, Yvonne. Your eyes are better.
There it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
It's very difficult, but we try.
Sally, Rijntje, Tyrone, Dolly en Rijsie. I hear it on that side. And I feel the water is going over there that way. So yes. Okay. That's it. For now. Okay. There it is. There the water goes. Okay. And it's going over here. Very fast. Okay. Yes, it works. Perfect. It's quite heavy. Yay! But it's working. So actually I like this to do. But when I want to do it with this nice weather, when I have time. There it goes. Yay! Whoa! A lot of water again. A couple of days ago I was here and there was wind and a bit rain, and now it's like this. And the horses are outside again. This is very strange. I don't know if you see it on camera, but over there it's foggy. Huh? Does it come this way? Huh? The wind is from that side, so I think so. It really looks very strange. Sorry for the sun. I can't see the other side of the road. Yeah, a bit, but... Okay, now I can't see the highway anymore. And I was over there. There's it foggy now. Strange. But now I'm here. And this is also strange, because these are Sally and Rijntje. And over there are the others. Reisi, Tyrone and Dolly. Okay. Hey, Sally. Ho ho. I thought I want to pet her, but hey, that sound, it's scary. Hey. Hey, Sally. Goed zo. I do it like this. Goed zo. Braaf. I think the horses are very happy. They can be outside in the pasture. Hey, Dolly. Hello. Hey. Do you like it? It's not scary. Goed zo. Tie it on. Okay, there were 2 cars and one with a dog. And the dog was running and the horses were scared. Okay, where's the stable? This is really strange. I'm walking in the sun and it's all foggy everywhere. Here I see Tyrone. Uh, hey, hey Dolly. Come. Sally. Glendy, Daisy and Peach. Hey, Sally was bucking and it's outside of the film. Sorry. Hey, Daisy. I think it's time to bring them in. Kom maar! No. Hop, 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 hop. Kom maar. Goed zo. Braaf. Kom maar. Goed zo, Sally. Kom maar. Braaf. Please. Goed zo. Kom maar. Goed zo, Rijntje. En Dolly. Braaf. Tyrone. Sally. En Rijsie. They can go to the arena. You don't have to go inside. Doe maar. Hey Peach. Doe maar. Okay, there is the stable. Somewhere. The sheep chalet. Hey. Whoa. Rijsie, Dolly, Rijntje, Sally en Tyrone.